In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in Elementor for free. Breadcrumbs are a fantastic way to enhance navigation on your website, allowing your visitors to know exactly where they are on your site and how they got there. It's like having a little map on each page. So let's dive right into it. First, we need to install a plugin to assist with this process. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New. Here, you'll search for and find Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor Lite. Once you see it, go ahead and click the Install Now button. After a few moments, the Install button will turn into Activate. Click on Activate to get the plugin up and running. By doing this, we've just added the power of Ultimate Add-ons to our Elementor toolkit. This plugin not only provides a header and footer builder, but also enriches our Elementor experience with a diverse widget library. This is an essential step because it gives us access to the tools we need to integrate breadcrumbs seamlessly into our layout. Now that we have our plugin active, it's time to add the breadcrumbs widget to your site. Go to the page, template, or header footer layout where you'd like to place the breadcrumbs, and open it with Elementor. Once inside Elementor, take a look at the Elementor panel on the left. Here, you'll want to look for the Breadcrumbs widget, which is part of the Ultimate Add-ons suite. You'll find it under the Ultimate Add-ons section. It might take a moment to find it if you're scrolling through the various options, but don't worry, it's there waiting for you. When you do spot the Breadcrumbs widget, it's as simple as dragging and dropping it right into your desired layout spot. What's really convenient is that the breadcrumbs trail is generated automatically. You don't have to do extra work to set it up. The widget looks at your site's hierarchy, checking parent posts, pages, and more to create a path that makes sense to your readers. It's smart and efficient, making navigation a breeze for your audience. Adding breadcrumbs with Elementor is that simple. Your visitors will experience improved usability, making them more likely to engage, explore, and return. Breadcrumbs aren't just a feature, they're a meaningful element of a well-structured website. With Elementor and Ultimate Add-ons, you're not only making your site beautiful, but also functional. Thank you for watching, and happy Elementoring.